Make money online chatting with strangers you don't know. Make from $50
chatting with strangers you don't know about. Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, do want to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I bring a new video to you all. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you all for coming by. And do well to like, do well to leave a comment. Besides that, you can make money just by chatting with strangers you don't know about or lonely people that are looking for people online that they can chat and make friends with.
The first site I'm bringing to you is called Texting Factory. All you have to do is go to on textingfactory.com and start chatting with lonely people and get paid. So according to statistics, they do say they got this analysis from the United States, 57% men who are
59% of women who also feel lonely. So whether you're a boy or a girl, you can get to chat with either gender and you make money. And how are you going to be earning? You are going to be earning by how fast you can respond, by the messages that you respond to. That's how you earn money. So if somebody texts you, how quick you respond to them, that's how you earn. And how many messages you respond in a day will determine how much you're going to earn in that particular day. So when you come on here, they do say earn income by chatting with lonely souls. What does it mean to get paid to talk to lonely people? You answer their messages, you keep them talking, going, and offer company through text while you earn money based on your activity. So what you have to do is make sure you keep them talking. You make them not to feel bored in the conversations that you guys have, and you get to make money from it at the end of the day. So your earnings will depend on how fast or how many replies you do in a day or in a week. So that is how they are going to calculate your earnings. So all you have to do, sign up, apply, and become a texter.
The second side where you can earn money by chatting with lonely people is called premium.chat. On premium.chat, it's almost the same thing as Texting Factory, but there you get to earn more money because they pay you 3.99 cents, $3
Needs for chatting with people. So it depends on your conversation, like how well you can keep a conversation with somebody. So all you have to do is sign up from anywhere in the world, sign up with your email and start chatting with lonely people and you get paid. So I'm gonna be showing get paid to text chat now. This is what you need to know. What you need to know. Have you got away with works? These days most of us dream of being able to make money from home. We imagine setting our hours and building a lifestyle that we want. So let's keep today. Benefits of it: you can work from anywhere in the world. You have the potential to earn a good income depending on how much you can chat and your pricing structure. Chatting allows you to connect with a wide range of people. You don't need a skill, you just communication skills that you need. We maintain privacy and all. And when you come down, premium chats make it easy to get paid to text chat. You get to be paid $3.99 per minute of chatting. They do have a chat length 30 minutes, flat rate price, and so on and so forth. So all you have to do, if you're good with communication or keeping a communication, go on premium.chat and start chatting with strangers or lonely people and make money online.
The next side is where you can meet people and chat with them. And
Money, so making over $3,000 every month on this side is called Meeting, or you can call it Meet app. The Meet app. On Meet app, all you have to do is download the app on the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, and you sign up for free. When you sign up, you start replying to messages, and they also do video chats. On Meeting, you can chat, you can text people, and you get to earn points. Those points, for every 10 points that you make, is $1. So for example, let's say you send first message, that's 1 point. You send a second message, that's another point. So for every 10 points, you get to make $1. And for video calls, for every 1 minute video call, you get to make $1. So if you can keep a conversation for like 1 minute over a video call, you get to make a particular amount of money. And just like that, you get to make money and you get to meet people. You don't only get to chat on Meet app, you get to meet people that you can chat with. You get to post your pictures on there. People who post their pictures of how they are living their life. I'll be showing you on my screen the display of different people posting on the site. They get to post their pictures, they get to make friends with different people. Apart from that, they get to make friends and grow their profile. The more you grow your profile, the more you become popular on the site. And so Meet app is one of the best app where you can chat, make friends. You can make friends and chat with people and get to make money for yourself. You don't only chat with people that you cannot see. You can do video calls, you can do audio calls, you can as well just chat, you can post your pictures and people get to like them. And if you gain more popularity, some people even gift you without you chatting with them. people can easily come to your profile and give to a particular gift that if they like you, if they like the picture that you uploaded, they can give to you, and you get to make money from it. And also, apart from that, you can share your referral link to your friends. If you want your friends to join the app with you, you can go on the app, you tap on your referral link, you share with your friends, they download the app, and you get to make money from referring a friend too. So apart from all the app helps you to make money from meeting people, from chatting, from video calling people, from posting your pictures and getting likes and gifts, and also from referring a friend. So it's actually a good app where you can make money. And the last app we're talking about is called Friendly. Most of you know Friendly. Friendly is a popular site where you also get to chat with people and you make money online. With Friendly, you immediately you sign up, they give you a $5 sign up welcome gift. Immediately you sign up to Friendly, they give you a $5 welcome gift. So what do you have to do? You just have to sign up, experience the thrill of chatting. It's fun and easy to flirt on Friendly. Don't just take our word for it, check it out what our fans have to say about Friendly. So if you don't know about Friendly, just go online and search about it, and you get to doing so. Browse and you get to put your own rates, how much you want them to pay you for a particular chat. Maybe if you're going to do a video call with somebody, you get to charge them according to what you want. So it's actually good, and they give you a $5 sign up bonus. So that is, if you find it interesting and good and you want more side hustles like this, let me know in the comment section below. And do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, do not forget to share, and turn on your notification bell. And don't forget to check out this video. And thank you all for listening, thank you for watching, thank you for your likes, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video.